Alright, so we put in a 2.4.
But you got
The side was going to get cut.
Huh?
The side was going to get cut.
The side's gonna get. Can you jack it up a little bit, the engine, maybe the transmission?
Nah,
From the bottom and pull it down.
so you dropped it in. You're putting the intake in.
Hold on a second, yeah. I'm gonna put that. The hose is down there? Yeah, that's good. See, intake first, and then you could drop it down. It's just hardly have enough room.
That is the trick. This is the trick, my friends.
Okay, awesome. Let's put the intake on now.
You do that. You do that.
Quote unquote.
This is the same in Pakistan as in United
States of America.
America.
America, yes, America.
Quote
America,
unquote.
you helped me.
Quote unquote.
America, you helped me to do this job.
Land of opportunity, my friend.
Land of opportunity. I am working.
We can do it.
Okay.
Give me a hammer, I fix the engine.
I am working, Paul.
Give me a hammer and crowbar,
Alright, go
I
down
fix
a little
it.
We gotta go down a little bit now, right?
I'm going to, look, I fixed the engine.
Oh no.
Don't we, look, your trick.
Yes, I am tricking you, Paul. I am not telling you, Paul.
This is a trick. This is not a real engine, is it?
Huh?
This is an engine from a Yugo.
Yeah.
This is what you said, dude. You putting in Scion. You go and you trick the people.
I am
The people. The people.
I am tricking people.
I gotta